Hello and welcome to English Mastery Daily. My name is Alex, and I'm here to help you learn English today. Maybe your English is not strong yet, but do not worry. This podcast is for people who are just starting. We will use very easy words and clear, simple sentences. Today, we will talk about 5 simple ways that you can use to practice English every day. These small habits will help you listen, speak, and think in English, little by little. The best part? You do not need to travel or go to a special class. You can do these things at home, at work, or even on a walk. Before we begin, just take a deep breath and relax. You do not need to understand every single word. Try your best. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first habit is listening. Listen to English every day, even if only for a short time. But do not listen like background music. Try to focus. This is called active listening. How can you do this? Find a short audio or video in easy English. For example, a beginner podcast, a simple video, or a children's story in English. First, listen without reading anything. Which words do you hear clearly? Which phrases do you recognize? Now listen a second time. Try to write down 3 or 4 words you hear. Don't worry about spelling. After, check the transcript or subtitles. Did you get them right? You're teaching your ears to hear English. This is important. It is good to use English materials for beginners. These are usually slower and simpler. Try to listen for 10 or 15 minutes each day. Remember, listening for a short time every day is better than a long lesson once a week. The second habit is shadowing. Shadowing means listen to a sentence in English and then repeat it out loud, just like a shadow follows you. Here's how you do it. Play a short sentence like, "Hello, how are you?" Pause the audio. Repeat the sentence aloud. Try to copy the sound, the speed, and the way the person speaks. It is okay if you make mistakes. Speaking is like exercise for your mouth and brain. Start with very easy sentences, for example. My name is Sarah. I like apples. It is sunny today. Listen, pause, and repeat. Do this with 5 to 10 sentences a day. When it feels easy, try repeating longer sentences. Don't be shy. Practice, even if you are alone at home. Why does shadowing help? It teaches your mouth and brain the sounds of English. Your tongue and lips get used to moving in a new way. With practice, speaking English will feel faster and smoother. The third habit is thinking in English. This may sound difficult, but you can do it with easy ideas and words. You do not need to use big sentences. Start with what you know. For example, when you open your eyes in the morning, think, I am getting up. When you drink water, think, I am drinking water. When you see a dog, think, that is a dog. It's normal to want to translate from your language to English. But if you try to think directly in English, even using small phrases, your mind will start to work in English. This helps you speak more quickly and naturally. Set a timer for just 2 or 3 minutes each day. Try to talk to yourself, in your mind, in English. If you forget a word, use a simple word. For example, if you forget refrigerator, say cold food box. The most important thing is to practice. The fourth habit is changing your phone and computer to English. Look at your phone. Is it in Persian, Turkish, or your own language? If it is, change it to English today. Change your computer, your apps, your social media, everything, to English. Why? Because you use these things many times every day. When you see words like settings, message, and update all the time, you remember them easily. You can also follow English accounts on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. When you look at your phone, you will see and hear English all the time. This is the easiest way to get more contact with English in your daily life, even if you are busy.
The fifth habit is recording yourself. Every day, open your phone and record your voice. Talk for 1 minute just in English. Talk about anything you like. What you did today. What you want to eat. Your favorite movie. Your family. Don't stop to think too much. Just talk, even if you aren't sure. If you forget a word, say, or let me think. The important thing is to keep talking for 1 minute. When you finish, listen to your recording. Don't be hard on yourself. Ask, did I use new words? Was my pronunciation okay? Did I last for 1 minute? If you do this every day, you will see improvement. On the first day, you may feel shy. After a week or a month, you will feel more confident. Your speaking will be faster and better. Now you know 5 simple ways to practice English every day. 1. Listen to easy English for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Shadow. Repeat, speaking 5 to 10 sentences a day. 3. Think in simple English, even just a few minutes. 4. Change your phone and online world to English. 5. Record a 1-minute voice every day. You do not need to do all these habits at once. Start with 1 or 2. The secret is practicing every day, even for a few minutes. Just like a plant grows with a little water and sun every day, learning English is about many small steps. If you know 1 new word today, that is progress. If you can talk 1 more minute without stopping, you are improving. I believe you can do it. Your English will get better day by day, step by step. Thank you for listening to English Mastery Daily. If you liked this episode, share it with friends or family who want to learn English too. Keep listening, keep practicing, and remember, every day you use English, you are one step closer to your goal. Goodbye. See you next time.